Ẹ káàbọ̀, that means welcome. In this lesson, we will learn words and phrases that begin or that has the Yoruba alphabet, G and B. So words that has G, ga means tall. Gun means long. Ge means to cut. Gari is a type of food that is made from cassava. Igi has the gi in the middle, means tree. Igigiga means tall tree. B, another alphabet. Bo means to hear. Bo means scrub. Ba means take. Ba means sweep. Be means carry. Bagbe means forget. Badura means pray. Igba is a bowl. Igba, time period. Igbati is slap. Igbati is when, means when. Igbadun, enjoyment. Igbenyi, last. Note how the words look similar, but they are actually different words. So you have to pay attention to the alphabet, to the individual alphabet and the intonation. Come back for more lessons. Thank you.